Top 5 print on demand niche research, episode 12. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. As usual, we're going to continue with the top 5 print on demand niches of the week. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Our first niche is going to be the Easter niche. So Easter is quickly approaching and a bunch of designs are doing very well, and I want to share those designs with you. So this is our first design, is a Dabbing Rabbit Easter. It's been priced at $19.99, sold over 100 times, has 3 reviews. Let's look at the rank. So the BSR, overall trend up, current trend up, and here are the keywords that you can use if you want to create a design which is similar to this or even better than this. So here are similar designs. This has been placed on an iPhone case. Yeah, an iPhone case. So it hasn't sold yet, but that's what you should be doing, placing your designs on other products if they are selling well. So as you can see from up here, it's been selling well, and that's why they've enabled it on other products as you can see below. All right, this upward, these designs coming up are still in the Easter niche, but I just want to show you a variation of Easter designs that you can get inspiration from. So this is the first one. This one is a rabbit with toilet paper, hand sanitizer, and a mask. So it is synonymous to our current situation, and many people want to buy it just because of the current situation we're passing through. I don't want to call the name because I don't want to get in trouble with YouTube. I don't want to get in trouble with YouTube. That's why I'm not calling the name, but you guys know what I'm talking about. So here is the BSR, overall trend up, current trend up. As you can see, the BSR quickly approaching 1. Here are keywords that you can use, and here are other designs from the same brand. All right, moving on to the next niche. Well, it's still the Easter niche. So I have like over 5 designs in the Easter niche. So showing you a variation of designs. This one is hanging with my peeps. And price at $15.50. Over 1,000 sales. Wow, this one is really doing well. And the same thing. Overall trend is up, current trend up, current trend, overall trend up, current trend down. And it's really doing well, guys. So let's go down to the keywords that you can use and similar designs. Let's go to the next Easter. This one is Happy Easter. Yeah, a similar design to the others I've shown you before, but the difference with this one is that it's a dinosaur instead of bunnies, and it's doing well. As you can see, price at $6.99, over 33 reviews. Overall trend is up, as you can see from the BSR is doing well. Here are the keywords, and yep, that is it for this. Let's move on to the next. So this is the same Dabbing Rabbit, I think, from this one. Well, the difference with this one is that it's the rabbit is putting on some shades, sunshades, and let's see with this one. No, yeah, both of them are putting on sunshades, but the difference with this one is that it has more flowers or something like that, a different font. Yeah, but it's the same, or similar design. So you can still use the same keywords. As you can see, wow, this t-shirt is really doing well. As you can see from the BSR, overall trend up, current trend up. It's really doing well. That's why you can see this BSR quickly approaching 1. Price at $15.99, over 142 sales and 27 reviews. Scrolling down here, there are keywords that you can use, and other designs from the same brand. All right, so yeah, I did a bunch of Easter designs because I wanted you guys to grab inspiration from the best-selling designs. So you can make a design which is gonna sell well because you've seen a lot of Easter designs that are already doing well. So that's why I have so many Easter designs. So this is another one. This one is kind of different. It's a kind of girly shirt. It's a bunny with some sunshades and a a band, a hair tie. Yeah, so I'm gonna scroll down and see how well it's doing. So similar to the other ones, overall trend up, current trend up, and price 19.99, over 136 sales, more than 6 reviews. So here are the keywords you can use. Let's see that there are any funny designs down here. It's the same thing. So the next one is still that bunny, but a different color. As you can see, they realized that that t-shirt or the design is doing well, so they decided to make a variation of this. So surprisingly, not many people love this one as compared to this one because looking at this BSR right here, you can see that it's really selling. Look at that. As compared to this one, it's selling, but it's not really selling. Let's hope that this is a new shirt. Let's see when it was posted. Updated March 21st, which is today. All right. Maybe the seller has made a bunch of adjustments. Yeah, that's why it says updated. Or maybe it was updated by Flying Research here. I'm not sure about that. But anyway, not well, many people love this design more than this one. I'm not sure why, but let's move on. It's still doing well though, as you can see, over 152 sales. All right, let's. All right, so this is a similar design to Easter niche, and 1890 price at 1890, 109 sales, 70 reviews. So people are liking this one too. What of our trend up, current trend up, and next. Oh, I haven't gone to the keywords. So yep, you had a keyword you can use. That's all right. That's it for this design. So wow, that was a bunch of Easter designs right there. So I hope I was able to give you some inspiration from Easter designs because Easter is quickly approaching and it's a very huge niche where people will be buying a bunch of designs. So grab this opportunity if you're in tier 10, tier 25, use this opportunity to scale your t-shirts up to the next level. So here is our next niche. It is leveled up to Big Brother shirt. So this is a pregnancy announcement shirt, if I can put it like that. So you're giving this to a brother who is gonna be receiving a junior one in the future. So leveled up to Big Brother is also tied with the gimme niche. The brother, the brother has to be a game lover, as well as being upgraded to Big Pro. So it has sold 49. It has sold at a price of 14.99, so over 124 times. And looking at the BSR, overall trend is up. That's what matters. Scrolling down, the keywords that you can use, and here are similar designs in the same niche. So this one hasn't sold. This one has sold. This one hasn't sold. So this one has sold. Maybe because it has 2021 there, I'm not sure, but that's a design that you should put on your radar. Moving on to the next niche. Yeah, the next niche is the autism awareness niche. So autism is coming up, I think April 2nd or so. It's quite close. So these t-shirts are doing very well. Look at this overall trend up, current trend up, price at 16.95, 91 sales. And look at the BSR, it has been undulating, but it is already approaching 1. That shows how well it's doing. Here are the keywords you can use, and here is it on a different shirt, not doing quite well. All right, our next niche. All right, it's still the autism, but for moms. So this one is autism mom, unbreakable. and it's sold more than 98 times. Price at 16.95. Overall trend is up, and this is how the BSR has been doing. So here are the keywords that you can use, and here are similar or the same design on different products. So this one has been selling well. This is on a hoodie, yes, on a hoodie, and this one on a shirt, I'm guessing. Yeah, on a shirt. Okay, so that's it for the autism designs. The three designs coming up are funny designs that I think the next designs that are coming up are funny designs as well as evergreen designs that I think are gonna sell all year round. So this first one is The Struggle is Real. It's a T-Rex in the gym. So this is for gymmers, those who go to the gym, and those who are struggling in general. So it's kind of funny. As you can see, the T-Rex, we know that the T-Rex has short arms. The T-Rex is trying to do pull-ups, pull weight, and push-ups. So obviously, it's gonna be difficult for the T-Rex because of his short arms. So that's kind of funny. And let's see how well it has been doing. Price at 21.99. Is this a T-shirt? Wow. I've never seen this. Is actually my first time I've seen a T-shirt that's a Match by Amazon T-shirt being priced at 21.99. That's a hell of a royalty right there. Wow. All right, I think it's about 6 or 7 royalties, if I'm not mistaken. Over 89 sales. So as you can see, not only trending designs get sales, evergreen designs to get sales, as you can see from here. So if a design is funny and if the design is good, you're gonna get sales. Now let's look at the BSR. Although it's not trending because like I told you, it's an evergreen design, the current trend is up. People are liking the design, as you can see from the BSR. All right, let's scroll down. Here are the keywords you can use. And let's see if there are other designs in the same niche. Nothing, just this design in this niche. So let's move on to the next niche. So like I told you, this is another funny designs, funny evergreen design. This one says, "Dear math, grow up and solve your own problem." That's kind of funny for anyone who has taken a math class. I'm hoping everyone in math class. Let's see. Like I told you before, it's not trending because it's an evergreen design. So the current trend is up. And look at this BSR. It has sold 68 times, price at 17.99. Not bad. Over 324 reviews. So look at the BSR is approaching. Look at this. Wow, this is a very steep fall to BSR number one. Look at that. The t-shirt is obviously doing very well. And here are the keywords you can use. Let's scroll down, see what. So that's it for this niche. All right. So and that niche for the day is this barbecue timer. I chose this niche because we're quickly approaching spring, and many people are gonna be doing a bunch of barbecuing and all the like, and everything that has to do with summer and spring. So barbecue timer, obviously, barbecuing goes hand in hand with beer, drinks, alcohol, and all the like. And that's why this is funny. So look at this. It's a barbecue timer. Rare is 1 beer glass. Medium, 2 beer glasses. And well is 3 beer glasses. So it's a cross niche between those who barbecue or those who like barbecue and those who drink beer. So let's see how well this t-shirt is doing from the BSR. Like I said before, it can't be a trending design because it's an evergreen design, and as you can see, the current trend is up, and it's priced at 18.99. Over 87 reviews, over 87 sales, and 559 reviews. So you can see how well this t-shirt has been doing. It's approaching one. So here are the keywords you can use, and that is it for this video. So guys, just a quick reminder, there's a link in the description below to sign up for our next week's giveaway. that is currently going on. So if you're interested, hit that link in the description and enter the giveaway. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Print-on-Demand and KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.